Have you ever wondered why listening to your favorite song can make you feel chills, tap your foot, or how it can even change your mood from sad to happy? When I strum a chord or press a key, it creates vibrations that travel through the air. These vibrations cause the surrounding air molecules to move and knock into each other, creating waves of pressure that radiate outward. This is what we call a sound wave. When these waves vibrate faster, we perceive them as higher notes. And what happens when these vibrations are slower? You guessed it, we get a low note. Our ears pick up these sound waves and convert them into signals for our brain to interpret. Inside our ears, tiny cochlear hair cells respond to different frequencies, translating each note into a unique signal. When these signals reach our brain, they engage with a variety of segments, not just those responsible for processing sound. Music is everywhere in your brain, but it starts in your auditory cortex, where we process sound. From there, those signals trigger activity in all segments of our brain, including the areas that control motor responses and our emotions. Our emotions are controlled by the limbic system, which includes the amygdala, basal ganglia, hypothalamus, and hippocampus, among others, each of which has its own role in creating the emotional response that we feel. When listening to music, your brain releases a chemical messenger that regulates your reward system. That chemical is called dopamine. Dopamine is the feel-good neurotransmitter that pushes us to seek out what we want and then increases when we get the instant satisfaction of the desire. For example, if you're ever listening to a song with a drop, your brain releases dopamine both during the build-up and the drop. The anticipation and resulting release of the tension both add to a sense of emotional reward. So when you play your favorite song and feel some sense of emotion, what you're really feeling is a symphony of sound waves, pitch, rhythm, tone, and even brain chemistry to create the magic that we call music.